Good morning, guys. Goldie and Hi have come for a little play. Hey, Goldie. Yay! Yay! And a baby Chino.
Baby.
But we've come for a play and we've come for a coffee. She's grabbed it. Look, I know I shouldn't have high standards coming to McDonald's, but I've just had a tiny little sip of an almond milk. It said Milk Lab almond milk latte. Guys, gross. I'll try again, but oh, I can't drink it. I honestly can't drink it. I don't think I'm into almond milk. This is revolting. It tastes like yucky. I don't know. It just, yeah. You can go up there. It's just yucky, and the only option they had was almond or soy. I should have gone soy. I know for next time. They didn't have oat milk as an option, but I just wanted to let you know that. Okay? Okay, thanks, bye. So I ordered another coffee. I couldn't do it. So this is the soy, half strength soy latte, and I'm gonna try it. Better, way better, but it's no oat milk, guys. I feel like oat milk is winning the race here. All right, there's people looking at me. Super random quick trip to IKEA. Our house went unconditional, yay! So I'm feeling good. I'm looking at cute things to get for the next house. I've got a lot of ideas in mind, and yeah, I just wanted to check out. I haven't been here in ages. What's wrong? Did you bump your head? Huh? You okay? We just stopped for a snack, stopped for morning tea, didn't we? Oh, you didn't like rock melon? You didn't like it? Okay. I just got a little fruit thing and a popper, but this, I just had a sip of it. It is so sweet. Like, I'm really regretting giving it to her. Anyway, guys, so much inspo. Like, I haven't been to IKEA in so long. So many, oh no, stop. Why are we tipping it? Why are we tipping it? Not on your shoe. Whoopsie. Say whoopsie daisy. Can you have that one? But yeah, so much storage ideas. So many. I want to get new dining chairs. Yeah, look. And the kids' room. I think Eva and Goldie are going to go into bunk beds. So I looked at those, etc., etc. Look, we're here again. We're here at Kmart. Let's do a try on with me. Yeah, yeah. I don't know, I feel like a bit, like I look like gelato, you know? shorts are really comfy. They're like elastic waist and they're both linen blend. Maybe it's just the colours. Cute though. I don't know. Definitely tucked. I don't know. Yeah, again, I think it's just the colours that I've chosen. Not really feeling it. Okay, I put a white on with it. I think you don't want to. I just think because I don't wear shorts and t-shirts, I just feel uncomfortable. So nothing will look good, you know? Okay, let's go. Better, but yeah. Okay, let's go home. I like this skirt. It's cute just with that little white t-shirt, little sleeveless. On the back, I don't know if you can see, it's got like buttons and stuff, which is cool. I feel better in this though. It's cute. I don't know, maybe I'll get it. It's like a floral. And I just remembered I'm going to be driving right past Ivy's high school that she's going to. I know, freaking me out. And we just have to pay. I hate that I still say we. Is it weird? I have to get into the habit of saying I. Honestly, I know that it's silly, but you know, it bothers me. Anyway, I have to pay a confirmation of enrollment fee, so I thought I'll go and do it now, then it's done. Yeah, just thought I'd let you know. And Marigold's sound asleep, which is kind of good. They've got a park right at the front. I'll zip in, pay it, and come out. But anyway, guys, I think this will probably be a long one, I don't know. When I sit down and edit sometimes, I cut out massive chunks. Like, I hate going over 10 minutes. I think anything over is kind of like a drag. I don't know, can you let me know? What's like an ideal video time? I like to say 10 minutes and under. But yeah, let me know. But anyway, I'm on my way home and then we're just back to doing pickup, etc. It's a Thursday, nothing on after school today. Tomorrow the girls have a fun-a-thon. Because I had the car detailed, I took off the camera thing. It's not even in the car actually. Sorry. But the girls have a fun-a-thon and they're dressing up as superheroes, so that's going to be super cute. But guys, have an awesome weekend and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.